Check this out. My wife has no idea why she's here. About a year ago, I started growing this out for No Shave November of last year. If you haven't watched that video, go check it out. I did a progression of my beard from freshly shaved to 30 days. And that's where we're at here with this beard. So today, she's gonna cut this. She's hated this beard all of this entire year. She's been begging me to cut it. So today is her day. Let's go surprise her. She's outside there. She has no idea why she's here. Come forward. Do you know why you're here?
No. I don't know where I am.
You know what's about to happen?
No.
Are you nervous?
Yes.
Are you scared?
No.
Okay. Stand here. Okay, you can take your blindfold off. Today is your lucky day. You get to cut all of this off.
Oh my god.
Yes, so women, they always say they want their man to look a certain way. They want him to look like this. They want to mold them into their perfect creation. Nervous? Mm-hmm. Okay, we have to choose tools. You need some sort of clipper and an edger.
This one? And this one?
We'll take this one.
Okay.
We'll take this one, do this one.
Okay.
Trimmer, clipper, and you need guards. So what length do you want this? Do you want it really short? Do you want it all off? We'll do the 1. Do you want a 2?
Yeah.
We'll do this 2 because this has wider teeth and my hair is really thick and long, so it'll just be a little bit easier that way. Since she's not a she wants to become a barber. Okay. She's gonna put the neck strip on. Hey. All right, and then you can put the cape on. Maybe she's gonna change jobs now.
Mm-hmm. You're gonna have some competition.
Okay, let me take my hat off. I'm gonna pick this out for her. Just make this a little bit quicker for her. To all the ladies out there, if you wanna cut your man's hair and have him look the way you want him to look, just give it a shot. You're gonna start with the number 2. She's asking how to use the lever. So the lever is closed, like here, and this is open, which means closed is longer, or no, closed is shorter, open is longer. Ready when you are. Look, she's shaking. She doesn't even know how to turn the clippers on. Oh, so you're going with the grain, okay. See, she's barely taking anything off. See, she said she wanted this beard gone, but she's barely taking anything off. Can you believe this? She wanted this gone for a year. Now she's scared once the clippers are in her hand. Women, they don't know what they want, ever. You're not taking anything off. My days of being Santa is gone. Sorry, children. I'm sorry. No Skype Santa this year. I won't get to see if you've been naughty and nice, thanks to her. So I'm just gonna assume that she's removing bulk right now, as a barber. Because when you have
the guidelines.
Yeah. Because when you have long hair going to short hair, it's very important to remove the bulk. Oh, technically she's doing the smart thing. The way she's moving the clippers, it feels like she's getting more comfortable now because she's moving faster, which could be dangerous. Do you feel comfortable yet?
No.
Oh wow, this is actually a lot shorter than I thought. So there we have it. Number 2, it looks like she removed all the bulk with the number 2, and whoa, what a big difference. I look funny, actually. Okay, so she wants to know how to do the mustache. Okay, so it's really simple. You could either go with the grain or against the grain. What's the next step? Oh, you're going straight to edges. I assume you're about to outline.
Like here, make it pretty on top.
Yes, and the neck and back here. This is where things get dangerous. There's a couple ways you could use this. So it's really simple. You could start like this and come down to the line, or you can create the line like this.
I'm watching the videos.
Uh-oh. And by the way, she says that she's my biggest fan, so I would think
I'm the number
if she,
one.
Okay, she's number one. I would think if she's truly my number one fan, she would have picked up some barber knowledge, which it seemed like she sort of did because she was moving really quick through there when she had the one on. So let's see if she watched my edge up video. And by the way, these things are sharp, so don't go too crazy on my skin. I can't see what she's doing back there.
I'm doing good.
She keeps wiping me with her head. Jeez, where'd you get your license?
Oh, it's extra hair.
That's what the comb is or brush is for. One step closer to getting your license. Now you have to make both of these match now. So whatever you did over here, you have to do identically over here.
What's wrong with that?
Oh my gosh. She's getting cocky, guys. She's getting really cocky. Maybe she'll be my apprentice or my, yeah, my assistant. Okay, so she's checking to see if they're the same.
Nope. You're gonna let me do it with the razor over here?
Well, I guess we're out of time.
Yeah, I think I messed up a little bit this time.
Oh my gosh. Customer never wants to hear that. I think I messed up. Jeez, you're killing me. Don't press too hard.
Okay.
Please do not press too hard. Oh my. Oh, this is like getting a tattoo. Oh.
You're lying.
Now pay attention to how she's holding the clippers. A very unorthodox technique, I must add. There she is again. You'll never get your license. Ah!
You lying.
Oh, it's like childbirth. She's that barber. Oh my, you're blowing on me? What? Wow.
Stop it!
What the heck? And you're strong arming me? You're blowing again? Jeez, can you guys hear that air in the wind mic? Jeez. She would never pass state board. Jeez, they kick her out in the first 5 minutes. That's what a comb is for. Feels like I'm a baby. She was just doing some detail work, it looks like there. Now she's finally using a comb. Finally.
Looks cool.
This is what you think cool looks like, so.
No. How to blend from here to over here?
From here to here?
Yeah.
You'll need the other guard. You'll need the zero guard because it goes 0, 1, 2. Like, because the question is, are you going from like skin to here?
Yes.
You need to start with the lever open. You have to go against the grain. Go open, create a line here. You have to blend it out. So you'll close the lever until you get up to the top and blend it out. And then you'll use the zero guard and then the 1.
Okay.
So let's see how well she's been watching my videos. Hold on. There we go. So, what do you guys think of her blending? In the comments below.
Whatever, okay.
Now she's gonna do this side. I can't see what she's doing this time.
Okay.
She's either butchering me in the comments below. In the comments below, help. Okay, she's checking.
Can you do it? Okay.
Uh-oh. Dr. Kevorkian back at work. I can't see what she's doing, guys.
What's up?
In the comments below. For the first time, what do you guys think? What do you think? How did she do?
Did great.
It feels a lot different. It feels weird that I can just touch and feel my jawline so quickly. Like I can feel it. Before I had like this 2-inch layer of padding. Look at all this. Did she do a good job? Should we get her a license? Oh, she's thumbing herself up. Cocky. Now I have to walk around like this. I'm not gonna change anything that she did. I'm literally gonna proudly wear her work. So thank you. I know she's so happy. She's gonna sleep better days, but I'm gonna grow it back out again. That goes to show, ladies, if your boyfriend, husband, or whoever has a YouTube channel and is a barber, you too can be a barber.